pressure try to break my soul. System cold, but me heart stay whole. Them want see me fall in a pit so deep, but Jah light wait me when me can't even sleep. No silver spoon, no easy way. Still rise up strong every single day. Even when my pocket them dry like sand, me still give thanks, 'cause my life in His hand. Fire burn, corruption, truth not bend. Righteous path me defend till the end. Though the fight get hard and the table lean, gratitude keep me spirit clean. Still giving time through the pouring rain, through the loss and the hurt and the strain. When the road get rough, still call His name. Gratitude burning like an eternal flame. Yeah, pressure build but me never fall. From the concrete jungle where survival told. Seen dark days, yet the struggle real, but me count every blessing that the Most High reveal. Lost some friends, yet the pain cut deep. Still I give thanks for the breath me keep. From the ashes rise like a phoenix flame. Hard time teach me strength in the game. No complaint, just elevate. Even when the odds them heavy like weight. Gratitude shift every mental state. Turn pain into power, that a real trait. Give thanks for the little, give thanks for the lot. Even when the fire blazing hot. Every trial, every scar, every test we got. Shape the warrior whether ready or not. Still giving time through the pouring rain, through the loss and the hurt and the strain. When the road gets rough, still call His name. Gratitude burning like an eternal flame. Still giving thanks to the night feel long. When the weak feel lost, but we stay strong. Every burden turn into a song. Give thanks, we carry